What's up, guys? Jordan back with another video. Today I'm doing a video on my newly releathered TNA Wildcat Championship belt. Obviously on a white strap. And I just got this back from releathered on Instagram. I sent this belt out to him sometime last year and I finally got it back this month or June, and I'm just now making a video on it. Back in 2020, Moose brought back the TNA World Championship belt because the Impact Champion, whoever that was, could not make it to Canada because of the lockdowns and stuff. And he used a replica of the TNA Wildcat belt on TV. And then a couple months later at Slammiversary, he decided to order a belt from Usman, which was replica plates on a white strap with a black backing. Then Moose decided to send the replica, officially licensed replica, to releathered to get releathered, and then had 10 Vicks restone it. And the first white one had a black backing, as I said. This one has a burgundy red backing to it. And I'm very happy to have this thing back. This belt was made, I was so happy to have this belt releathered by the person who made the one on TV. And if you remember my other videos, I was saying I wanted to get this thing releathered so bad because it was cracking and shit. There you see how flexible it is. One thing is about this belt is that it is not strong enough to support its own weight, and that's pretty unfortunate, but it is flexible and it is ring user like. So I'm going to take you to the other room now to show you more detail on it. And there you see it on a white strap. And by releathered. The tooling. The sort of floral design. Same thing with this side here. And you got the gold tip. All right there. Let me show you how it looks on the shoulder. And it sits very comfortably on the shoulder. Does not move. And other side now. Not the easiest belt to move around with because it's stacked and it's a big, huge belt. But I will say, if you fold this thing Jeff Jarrett style, half folded, it makes it very easier, much more easier to manage, or especially if it's half folded. And it's very comfortable. It makes it almost feel like you're holding nothing. Anyway, guys, this belt cost me $300 to get releathered. It took over a year to get it finished. And that is that. Check it out check releathered out on releathered on Instagram. And I will catch you next time, guys. Peace.